Grade 6s, so we are going to be starting our unit on the Iroquois Confederacy. So the first thing that you need to do are complete your definitions. So here are the vocab words that you need to define. Said you have the Haudenosaunee, United Nations, Confederacy, Clan, collective identity, symbols, war chiefs, pine tree chiefs, generation, and consensus. If you are working on paper, you can just write them on the paper. If you are unable or choose not to work on the paper, it needs to be done on the digital copy. Once you've finished your definitions, you are going to start your questions. So the coming of the peacemaker. So in the textbook on page 76 and 77, you're going to need to read both. I will have a video in our Google Classroom that you can watch too if you would like to listen to me read it. And then you are going to answer the following questions. So, who was the peacemaker and what did he do? And what lessons could the countries in the UN, so the United Nations, learn from this speech? Please make sure you are using detail and you are answering in complete sentences. When you're done, please submit your assignment.